Maybe you are struggling to grow your followers on Instagram, or maybe you're struggling to acquire clients and make money utilizing Instagram, and it's probably because you think that you need a big following in order to do so. But in today's video, I'm gonna break down a very easy, simple strategy that you can implement right now today that will literally make you get new clients and leads into your business over the next 24 hours. It is literally extremely simple, and you don't need a big budget. You literally need only $100. That's it, to get your next high-paying client. And today, I'm about to share with you exactly how that's done. So let's just jump into my computer right now and show you how it is. All right, so here we are inside the Business Manager on Facebook. This is where you can create actual Facebook ads. And what we're going to do is simply create what we call the Instagram Story Ad Framework. Now, here's the cool part. A lot of you guys know that we have a framework that's very, very profitable that we call the Instagram Story Webinar. And it's something that we use ourselves and that we teach our clients to use as well to attract new clients just utilizing Instagram. It is insanely profitable. And we have clients like making like 10, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 a month just by utilizing that. Now, here's the kicker. You actually need people watching your stories in the first place to be able to implement that, right? So what happens if you don't have a big following, right? And you want to get clients from Instagram? Well, right here, what I'm about to show you with the Instagram Story Ad Framework, which is very similar, allows you to tap into a completely different audience, reach new people, and get clients even in the next 24 hours, okay? So let me break it down for you right here. Now, most people, what they do is just run an ad with the conversion campaign objective. Now here, the cool part about what we do is that you don't need a website, you don't need a funnel, and we can simply select messages right here and create the campaign this way, right? So we just hit messages and then hit continue. Afterwards, we can put the campaign name, we're just gonna call it test. And we're gonna leave everything else the same. Now, as you can see right here, it says campaign budget optimization in the bottom. We're gonna leave that turned off. Now, a lot of you guys know, if you run any sort of ads on Facebook, that there's something called campaign budget optimization, or CBO. And it's a very good way where you can scale to the moon, even beyond your $100 budget that we currently are working on with right now, okay? But for that, we're gonna leave that to a separate video. And if you like us to break it down step by step of how to use campaign budget optimization so you can scale your ads and even get a lot more clients, just comment the word or the letters down below, CBO, and we get, I don't know, 20, 30 comments just commenting the word CBO. I'm gonna make a completely different video just explaining how the campaign budget optimization works and how we have been able to scale and spend on Facebook alone millions of dollars just with this, okay? So afterwards, hit the campaign, we created it, we hit next. Now right here, we are on the ad set level. Now this is where we put the interest and stuff like that. We're gonna call it test again, and we're gonna unselect Messenger, right? We're only gonna leave Instagram direct selected. We're gonna select the Facebook page, select the Instagram page where we want to run stuff from. And let's just say, again, for sake of numbers, you have a $100 budget. This means $10 a day for 10 days. Okay, so we're gonna leave it like this, and we're gonna select an end date. In this case, it will be June 21st, right here, boom, and that is it. Now we're gonna go to the audience where we actually target people, and on the age range, we're gonna put 25 and over, right? So let's say we are creating a program where we do marketing for agency owners, or we have a coaching program or something along those lines, whatever it is. We're just gonna select 25 and over, because people, under 25 probably might not be our target avatar, unless they are, right? If they are, you obviously target them here. Now, the most important piece right here is the detailed targeting. Now here, obviously, once you're starting from scratch, your Pixel or Facebook AI doesn't know who you're targeting, doesn't know your avatar and stuff like that. So this is something you want to work on little by little. This is like the testing phase of running ads, right? Now, in this case, we're just gonna assume, let's just say for sake of numbers, for sake of this example, that you are a fitness coach, you're in health, and you help other busy men and entrepreneurs get fit, get healthy, and get those gains in the gym. So what we're gonna be doing right here is simply targeting, somebody like, I don't know, Tony Robbins, because he's all about personal development. People who follow him might be more, interested in personal development. He's followed by a lot of entrepreneurs, etc. So we're just gonna select Tony Robbins right here, and we're gonna leave detailed targeted expansion off, okay? So as you can see, our audience, or the total potential reach, went down to 4 million people. And now we're gonna select right here is manual placements, right? And we're gonna absolutely unselect everything except Instagram stories, okay? The reason for this is because you only want to use Instagram stories for the specific strategy I'm about to share with you, because they're insanely profitable. They're the craziest thing ever right now, and they're very easy to use. You can literally just use your phone, film it in vertical format with your phone, and that is it, okay? There's no fancy editing or anything like that. Now, we keep scrolling down, we leave everything else the same, and that is it, right? This is how you create on the ad set level. Now we're gonna go to the ad level. We just click right here, and again, we're just gonna select, we're just gonna type in test in this case. Now, here's where the cool part starts. We're going to select carousel instead of an image or a video. And what we want to do is create two or three 15-second Instagram story videos, okay? 2 or 3. That way, when you upload this on Instagram stories right here on the platform, you have 2 or 3 ads back to back that are on people's feeds right there on their face, which is something super cool, right? Now, what we're gonna be doing here, and just simply, for whatever reason, Facebook has a glitch. So we're gonna select right here, add video, and then remove the top, and then remove that one, and then remove it again, and then add a video, and then remove the other one. So what we're gonna be doing is, just adding, 2 in this case. Now, here's the important piece. You don't need a primary text. You don't need absolutely anything, right? Now, what do? Where we're here, we simply take our phone, right? Our phone, and we just go to Instagram. I'm gonna show you so simple how this is like Instagram right here. And we just simply, create an Instagram story, right? Just like this. So what we're gonna be doing is, again, we're gonna be targeting, fitness men who are entrepreneurs who are too busy to get fit and healthy. And those are the people that we're gonna be targeting, okay? So the 3P statement. If you don't know what the 3P statement is and how to utilize it, I'm gonna link a video down below in the description that breaks down everything step by step of how important the 3P statement is, and breaking it down in a very short training that we actually did in a private mastermind, right? So let me break down how the Instagram story or how the Instagram story is going to look, right? We simply take the phone and we're gonna say something targeting the fitness people that are men, that are busy, etc. So if you are an entrepreneur who is too busy, to go to the gym, spend hours and hours on end, and maybe you don't know how to get fit, or you're maybe losing money because you're not fully optimized on your health, I want to help you completely change that completely for free. Right now, myself and our clients have found a very easy way that literally triggers your metabolism into overdrives. You're more productive, get more shredded, get more done during the day, and ultimately even make more money because of it. So if you wanted to find out what that is, just DM me the word right here, fitness, and I'll send it over to you right away. Again, just the first 5 men who are entrepreneurs ready to rock and roll, message me right here, and I'll change your life over the next 30 days. DM me the word fitness, and I'll see you inside. Very simple. Literally like 3, actually it was 3 instead of 2, but 3 Instagram story videos just like this. See it? And all we do is simply put text on it. So I'm gonna just put some text. If you are an entrepreneur who is too busy to spend hours and hours inside the gym, listen up. Boom, boom. Right, we put it not too big, semi-small. Boom, there you go. Just like this. Very simple. Like, it took me like 2 seconds to make this, as you can see. So you can probably take a little bit longer, right? Now, what we do is we go to the next one, right? Same thing. And then we have right here, DM me fitness. I think it was the keyword, right? So DM me fitness. Boom, right there. Boom. I just put some text on the image, and that is it. You don't want to put too much because Facebook might block you, but something like this is perfectly fine. And then from there, we go to the third one, boom, and then do the same thing, right? And then DM me fitness, boom, 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 boom. Very simple, super easy, doesn't take a lot of your time, right? And then what you do is you download all 3 stories. We download this, and then we download this as well. Boom, there you go. And then we send it to the computer, and then we upload it right here. And I'm gonna show you exactly how this looks while we're inside the computer. All right, here we're back, and all we gotta do is now find the video, and that's it. So we go right here, we hit upload, and we find the video that we just created. So in this case, it's gonna be this one, boom. And then we just wait until it's uploaded. And then we simply repeat the exact same thing with the other two, right? So we did that one, and now we'll do the second one. And we find the second one is gonna be this one right here. And after that one is done, then we just simply upload the third one. And that is exactly what we're gonna be doing right now. Let's find it, boom, right there. Now, this is the cool part about this. We just uploaded, created an ad, selected the targeting, something insanely simple. Don't need a website, don't need a funnel, don't need anything. Now, here's the cool part. After this is done processing, uploading, we just simply hit publish, and that is it. Something super insanely simple. The cool part about this is that as time progresses and Facebook approves the ad and launches it, you're going to get DMs inside of your Instagram account automatically from people who are interested in your stuff. Okay, that is the most crucial part of everything, is because you literally have people that are interested in your stuff that want your products and services, and they're DMing you because they're interested in that. So if you realize what we did in the script, it was like, hey, if you are this avatar and you're struggling with this problem, we have clients that we have helped with this problem. So I want to give you the solution. If you want the solution, just DM me. That is exactly what I did, okay? We actually have another framework that I have right here. I'm gonna put the video right now. And as you can see on that video, I did exactly the same thing. I called up an avatar and then stated the specific problem that they had and told them, hey, DM me this keyword and I'll send you over the details, right, of how we can help you. And then as you can see right here, everything got uploaded already. And all I have to do is just hit this publish button right here in the bottom, and that is it. Very, very, very simple. And it literally took me like, what, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to make. And this ad right here, I tell you, is insanely profitable. You can run it for any sort of business and it works insanely well. Okay, so the most important thing, again, just to recap, make sure that the creative and things like that, what you say verbally calls out one specific person. Okay, you want to call out one specific person, one problem that they have, and give them one promise. As you see also in the end of it, I told, hey, like, look, I'm looking for 5 people who want to get this one result over the next 30 days or 90 days. That's also another framework that we have and we teach, and it works super well. So go implement it. Make sure you take the time to do this. It takes 15 minutes. It doesn't take long, and you can literally have leads into your inbox by tomorrow. Now the question becomes, what do you say and what do you do after people DM you, in this case, the word fitness? And also, how do you automate this, right? You don't want to be DMing people all the time. You don't want to be like, on your phone all the time. You want to have some sort of automated system that allows you to bring leads and convert them into sales or booked appointments to sell your products and services almost on autopilot. So what does this actually look like? So I want to help you with that specifically. And if you want to find out what that is, just message me on Instagram, the word YouTube, and I'll send you over a completely free guide that breaks down everything step by step. And actually, there's a link down below in the description where we can talk one-on-one, either myself or one of my team members, and we can break down exactly how to automate this, how to make sure you know exactly what to say on the DMs, and most importantly, how to close high-ticket sales inside of your business and turn this and scale it to the moon, because we have literally helped hundreds of clients do exactly the same. I'm literally gonna flash some of them on the screen right here. You can see right here, Dave, who did $19,000 profit in the first 30 days. Today, he's actually making over $200,000 a month. Or like Rafael, who did $130,000 in the first 60 days. And we have so many others. If you want some of them and you want to see some of them, just go to onlineCEOs.com/reviews so you can check out even more success stories and more testimonials. So having said that, hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you go and implement it. If you did like it, make sure you hit that like button, helps a ton with the algorithm, and that red subscribe button. Make sure you click the very first link in the description. It's going to take you to a very short page where you can fill out a few questions, and then we can jump on a one-on-one call to see how we can help you implement this and a ton of other cool things to scale your business just utilizing Instagram. Having said that, my name is Josue Pena, and see you on the next one.